In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Basecamp. Whether you're working in message boards, comments, or to-dos, tagging ensures your team members are notified about pertinent information or tasks. This is a great way to make sure your message doesn't get lost in the shuffle of daily communication, especially if someone needs to take immediate action or is directly involved in the discussion. So, let's dive right into the process. Imagine you're typing out a message, and you want to make sure a specific person sees it. Perhaps you're discussing a project update or assigning a new task. To tag someone, start by typing the @ symbol, which looks like this. @s. Immediately after the @ symbol, begin typing the person's name or initials. The absence of a space between the @ symbol and the person's name or initials is crucial. As you begin typing, Basecamp's intuitive design takes over. You'll notice that Basecamp generates a list of auto-suggested names matching the text you've entered. This feature is particularly helpful if you're hesitant about the correct spelling or if your list of contacts is extensive. Simply use your keyboard's arrow keys to navigate through the suggestions, or you can opt to click with your mouse. Select the correct person's name from this list to finalize the tag. Once you've chosen, their name will be distinctly highlighted, signaling that they have been successfully tagged. Now, what happens after you tag someone? By tagging a team member, you ensure that they will receive a notification. These notifications appear in Basecamp's Hey menu, a central hub for catching up on what needs your attention. This ensures that your mention is promptly visible and stands out, thereby increasing the likelihood of a swift response. Notifications can be crucial when deadlines are tight or when clarifications are needed promptly. One useful tip to remember is the importance of accuracy in typing the person's name. While Basecamp does help with its auto-suggest feature, starting with the right initials or the correct spelling will streamline the process. Be concise and deliberate in your tagging to prevent any mishaps or miscommunications. In conclusion, tagging in Basecamp is an efficient way to direct messages and updates to specific individuals, streamlining team communication and keeping everyone on the same page. Regularly using this feature can enhance how you collaborate within your team, ensuring that important information always reaches the right eyes and ears. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide straightforward and informative for your Basecamp messaging needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips on efficient team collaboration.